project's a 28-storey building. It's a brick facade scheme, 27 levels with 290 apartments.
With Domus, we're in a partnership, so we do all of their work up in Manchester. We completed a scheme for Domus Queen Street, which is in Salford, and then this led on to the Anchorage.
We've had problems mainly in the install periods, as well as the cost of install has been quite high. We look for a different product that could give us benefits in that area to speed up build times and also try and save us a little bit of money, really.
So the primary function of a cavity tray really is to take the moisture within the cavity out of the external face of the facade. We've designed the products in such a unique way that the single component offers a very quick and easy install option, significantly reduces cost and time on site for the subcontractors and main contractors.
Yeah, because it was a brand new product, the reservations we had was that we've not seen it anywhere, we've never used it.
I think from our point of view, it was a case at the time of doing some investigations just to see whether it did what it said on the tin, which is what the video showed.
The product does have a self-adhesive tape applied to it, which is significant in the speed of install. So unlike any other products, there is potential to install our cavity tray without the need for mechanical fixings.
We all went to look at a mock install on one of our other schemes, showed us the product, we saw the benefits.
The test, I think, convinced everybody that it was worth giving it a try.
It's easier to work with, there's no soldering, there's less cutting, so you don't have to cut it in a workshop, you can cut it out in the area where you're actually building it,
So the site service offering would initially come and do the classroom side of the presentation. That's going to give everybody the major do's and don'ts, show them what they must be doing to remain compliant. Then we go out and do a practical side. That's going to make sure the lads have fully understood the training, the works are compliant. Any mistakes made at that point can be corrected. We always do a follow-up audit, generally 2 to 3 weeks after, just to make sure everything that was discussed in the training is being implemented on the project.
Well, the relationship has been great with Siderise. Any queries we have, they're on the end of the phone and they'll come to site and have a look at the install. If there's anything we need to do, they'll advise and we all work together as a team.
So early collaboration is key. And through early collaboration, we had a look at the cavity trays and decided, due to its qualities, to use the CT tray.
We used the Siderise product on Queen Street, and then we developed then into it becoming our preferred CT tray.
Since using the CT cavity tray, we've managed to save a lot of time on the install. It used to be 50% of the time we'd have our bricklayers in there and 50% we'd have our fixers. The CT cavity tray now allows us to reduce that down, so we've got 70% of bricklaying time in there and only 30% of fixing, which gives us increased outputs in the bricklaying.
And that speed of installation and lack of engineering work from the workshop on site was really important to these guys, and it's had a massive positive impact on the programme for this particular scheme.
I've worked with Kinlands previously and it's good to see that they're doing a smashing job. Domus pulling it through brilliantly and looking at the skyline over Salford. It's nice to see a big brickwork project going up.
We use this product about 1 year. We are on level 30 and they works perfect. Feel proud because, I walk with my family for the shopping or an event and say, look, your daddy work here and be a part to build this area, and you see the people who living there and you feel like do something, positive with someone else now can enjoy that.